I just received my craft order from Temu and I can't wait to unbox it all with you. Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Custom Party Favors. I'm Latoya, and in today's video, I wanted to unbox my Temu order with you guys. Now, Temu has quickly become my go-to place for all of my craft and DIY supplies. They have an incredible selection of supplies for every type of project you can imagine. So without further ado, let's see what amazing goodies I got from them. First up, we have B Family die cuts. They are perfect for adding a touch of sweetness to any baby shower or B-themed party project. Next, we have these cute owl die cuts. These will be a hoot in my next project. I can already envision using them to make adorable homemade cards or decorating owl-themed party favors. These banner die cuts are perfect for creating birthday banners for cards. You can layer them, mix and match colors, or even add personalized messages. Father's Day is coming up, and I'll be using these tool set die cuts to add a creative touch to my crafts for Dad. These would be great for any handyman themed project. This gift box die cut would be great for creating mini gable boxes party favors. I got 2 sets of 500 pieces of reward stickers. I got a set of unicorn and dinosaur stickers. These fun stickers will make for great freebies to include in my custom party favor orders. These sticky notes will help me stay organized and are perfect for jotting down ideas or reminders. These A4 blank transparent plastic envelope file bags are perfect for storing my copy papers, keeping them safe and organized. This handy to-do list notepad will make sure I never forget a task again. Double-sided tape is always useful, and I can't wait to put these rolls to good use in my projects. I did order this file rack, but unfortunately this item was missing from my package, but I was really excited about it. Customizable name stamp. I had some issues with the customization, but the stamp itself is great. The one that I ordered is currently sold out, but there are plenty of similar products available. I got these 20 pieces of paper clips. These paper clips will definitely come in handy for keeping my documents together. You can find the links to everything that I purchased in this Temu haul in the description box down below. Also, when you use our referral link and download the Temu app, you will receive $100 in bonus coupons. If you're on their website, you just want to go up to the search bar and search for our coupon code. Scan the code to download the app to receive the $100 in coupons bundle. I hope this haul has left you feeling inspired for your next crafting adventure. If so, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos. Please feel free to share your suggestions for future video topics or your thoughts on any of the items. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.